Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about ZoneRates.com reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. The citizens of United States are looking forward for the information related to the legitimacy of this particular site. So this is the homepage of this particular site, guys, and it is an online shopping store that deals with various beauty care products including green tea, eggplant purifying clay stick mask, new whitening cream, new instant perfection serum, and new magic eye cream, etc. You can also find tags and moles remover on the website and ginseng face mite removal deep as well as wrinkles anti-aging serum. The prices of these offerings are too good to be true, guys, and let's take a look at the payment information of this particular site. So this is the homepage, and for payment information you need to visit the payment method info section. So this is the payment method section of this site, guys, and here they have mentioned that you can make the payment via PayPal and credit card or debit card as well. And at the bottom of the web page you can see PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, Master, American Express are the modes of payment which are available on the site. Now talking about the shipping policy of this particular website, let's check out the shipping policy. So guys, this is the shipping information page, and here they have mentioned the shipping duration along with the shipping cost, and they have also mentioned the country names for shipping purpose. And you can see the shipping duration is 12 to 20 days for most of the countries, and the express shipping will take around 7 to 12 business days. And you can find different shipping durations for different countries and shipping cost as well. So you can read the entire info for your knowledge, guys. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, the site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. But coming to the domain information, the domain name was created on 30th of December 2020. So guys, this site is not too much old, so we can't claim this site legit on the basis of its domain age. Apart from that, according to our study, we have found that this particular domain or site is registered for 1 year only. So the site can't be trusted on the basis of its registration or short expectancy domain. Now guys, coming to the company's detail, you need to visit the About Us page to know more about the website. This is the About Us page. You can see they have not mentioned the entire business information including brand connection info, business establishment year, business owner name, etc., which is a negative sign. So again, this factor is not applicable that can define its legitimacy. So we can't claim this site legit on the basis of its company details. And according to the website details, let's check out the contact details. So here is the contact us page, guys. So here they have provided suspicious contact details, and the email which is given on the web page doesn't match with the domain name, which is again a red high alert. Apart from that, they have mentioned suspicious or you can say fake address details, and even you can't copy the address to check about legitimacy, and they have not mentioned the contact number as well. So these are the negative signs that makes the site quite suspicious, guys. Apart from that, coming to the social media existence point or factor, no social media icon is available on the website. It means that the site has no social media presence at all, which is again a negative sign. So coming to the return policy of the site, let's check out the return policy page. So they have mentioned 14 days of return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers as well. And talking about ZoneRates.com reviews, so we have found few positive comments about the products on the website, but no reviews are available on the on the internet and on other platforms as well. So you can see number of reviews are mentioned at the description side of the product. And few positive comments are available. Guys, this time I'm not able to click the particular product on mobile. So you can check out the customer reviews by visiting the particular product category, and you will find few customer reviews, and they are claiming the product legit and more reviews about the product. But guys, we can't trust on this site easily. Guys, this time this is open. Let's check out. Yes guys, we can't trust on this website on the basis of the present customer reviews on the official website, because we are not able to find more customer reviews about the site on the internet, which is a negative sign. So yes guys, now coming to the trust index score of the site. According to our study, we have found that the trust index score of the site is 2% only, which is really very bad. It means that the site seems to be not much popular online, and it comes with unknown trustworthiness score. Apart from that, low traffic has found, so the website has low traffic. So yes, in the final conclusion, we would say the website appears to be suspicious, and explore the entire info before making any online purchase guys. If you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. So do comment about your thoughts about this video guys, and guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.